The dingo debate, a complex ecological and cultural issue. The dingo, Canis lupus dingo, a wild dog native to Australia, has been the subject of intense debate and controversy for decades. Its presence in Australia has sparked heated discussions among conservationists, farmers, and the general public, with differing perspectives on its ecological role, impact on livestock, and cultural significance. This essay will explore the complex issues surrounding the dingo debate, examining its ecological implications, economic consequences, and the challenges of managing its population. From an ecological standpoint, dingoes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of Australia's unique ecosystems. As apex predators, they help to regulate populations of herbivores, such as kangaroos and wallabies, preventing overgrazing and habitat degradation. Dingoes also have a significant impact on feral cat and fox populations, which are considered invasive species that threaten native wildlife. By reducing the numbers of feral cats and foxes, dingoes can indirectly benefit a wide range of native species. However, dingoes can also have negative impacts on livestock, particularly sheep and cattle. Dingoes are known to prey on livestock, causing economic losses for farmers. This has led to widespread efforts to control dingo populations, including fencing, baiting, and shooting. While these measures have had some success in reducing dingo populations in certain areas, they have also raised concerns about the potential negative consequences for native wildlife and ecosystems. The dingo debate is not just about ecological and economic considerations, it also has deep cultural and social implications. Dingoes have been an integral part of Australian culture for thousands of years, with many Indigenous Australians having a deep connection to these animals. Dingoes are often seen as symbols of the Australian bush and are revered in traditional Aboriginal stories and ceremonies. The debate over dingoes has therefore become a complex issue that involves balancing competing interests and values. Managing dingo populations is a challenging task that requires a multifaceted approach. One option is to focus on non-lethal control methods, such as fencing and habitat management, to minimize the impact on native wildlife. Another approach is to promote coexistence between dingoes and livestock through measures such as livestock guarding dogs and improved fencing. Additionally, education and awareness campaigns can help to foster a greater understanding of dingoes and their role in Australian ecosystems. In conclusion, the dingo debate is a complex issue with no easy answers. While dingoes play a vital role in maintaining the health of Australian ecosystems, they can also have negative impacts on livestock. The challenge is to find a balance between protecting native wildlife and addressing the concerns of farmers. By adopting a holistic approach that considers the ecological, economic, and cultural implications of dingo management, it may be possible to find sustainable solutions that benefit both dingoes and the broader Australian environment.